Hello friends, today we are start our chemistry practical. Experiment number is first. The aim of this experiment to determine the concentration in terms of molarity of KMnO4 by titrating it against standard solution of oxalic acids. This experiment is based on the volumetric analysis and redox titrations. KMnO4 is acts as a oxidizing agent and oxalic acid is acts as a reducing agent. In first part, friends, to preparation of standard solution of oxalic acids. You know oxalic acid, the molecular formula is S2C2O4 to H2O and molecular mass is 126 gram per mole. Friends, chemistry practical purpose is to done need about 100 ml of oxalic acids. 100 ml of 0.1 molar of oxalic acid is required. Mass is 1.26 gram of oxalic acids. Take accurate weight of 126 gram of oxalic acids into a beaker and add little distilled water to dissolve it by stirring. Then this solution of oxalic acid, the diagrammatically representation, friends, this solution of oxalic acid add to the 100 ml of volumetric flask and dilute the solution up to the mark of standard flask to make 100 ml solution. And this is our 100 ml 0.1 mole standard solution of oxalic acid. Then second part, to determine the molarity of KMnO4 solution using standard solution of oxalic acid. The procedure of this experiment to represented by the diagrammatically. The KMnO4 solution fill up in the burette up to the 0 marks with upper meniscus. Then pipette out 10 ml of oxalic 0.1 molar of oxalic acid solution, transfer into the conical flask. Then add 1 test tube of dilute sulfuric acid and then this conical flask is heated to 16 to 17 degree on wire gauge. The place of this conical flask below the burette and titrates against the KMnO4. The start adding KMnO4 solution dropwise to the from burette in a conical flask with continuously stirring it till the light pink color is obtained in a conical flask. Color does not disappear even vigorous shaking. This is the end point of titrations. Note this reading as a pilot reading. Then friends, repeat above procedure. Take minimum 3 correct reading, burette reading, and from common burette reading calculate the molarity of a given KMnO4 solutions. Then friends, write down the observations. Friends, in observations, solution of burette KMnO4 solutions, solution of pipette 10 ml 0.1 molar oxalic acid, solution in conical flask 10 ml oxalic acid plus 1 test tube of dilute H2SO4. Then indicator KMnO4 self indicator, end point colorless to light pink. These are the chemical equation of these reactions. Friends, then write down the observation table. Pilot reading 12 ml to 13 ml. Then burette reading, first burette reading 12.5 ml, second burette reading 12.5 ml, third burette reading also 12.5 ml. These are the initial reading. and difference between the final and initial reading is 12.5 ml, 12.5 ml and 12.5 ml. CBR common burette reading is 12.5 ml. Hello friends, to calculate the molarity of KMnO4, write down to 12.5 CBR. Here also write down to 12.5 CBR. Here also write down the, to calculate the molarity of KMnO4 solution, 12.5 CBR. When we calculate, we get the value of 0.4 upon 12.5 CBR. Take a log on both sides. Log of 0.4, subtract the log of 12.5, and then antilog, we get the value 3.022 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 2. You can write the molarity of KMnO4 solution is 0.032. Hello friends, write down MCQ in your practical notebook. First MCQ option is B, then second MCQ option is A, third MCQ option is B, fourth MCQ option is B, and fifth MCQ option is C. Then write down friends short answer questions. These are the first questions, their answer, second question, their answer, third questions, their answer, fourth questions, their answer, and fifth questions and their answer. Thank you for watching my video friends. Like, subscribe and share your friends. Thank you once again.